Hello friends, welcome to our channel CAD-CAM Mirror, and today we will create this solid part. And this arrow shows the front view, and we will start this model from the front view. First we will create this portion and extrude, and after that I will cut this one hole and this rib, and at the last I will create this rib. Okay, so we will start from the side view, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel, and if you like our video, please hit the like button. So let's start with the annex. So select this sketch, or we can select this sketch directly and click over the plane. Okay, now I will create this portion and we will extrude this 25 only. So just start with profile. We are starting from this point, this, and after that I will mirror it. Make them coincident. Now dimension it. 75 divided by 2, 38, 37, 25. This is 25, 38 again, 50. So this is 25 and 62. So wrap it. Half of 62 is 31 and close. Now mirror this hole. One more dimension is left. This 175 divided by 2. Close, and now we will mirror this. Select this mirror, connected curve. So all curve is select the axis and OK. Sketch is fully constant, so finish this and extrude this all in 25 millimeter and click OK. So first sketch is completed. Now we will create this upper portion only. So again I will sketch over the same plane. Okay, draw this shape. Actually we need this sketch. Okay, after this first we have to create this shape up to here, and again this shape has been changed. Now finish it and extrude this sketch in reverse direction. 50, 100 minus 100 means 100. Extrude this 100 and unite. Okay, see. Okay, or we can do one thing, just extrude this second portion up to 200, and now I will cut this portion. So sketch over this face and draw rectangle and dimension it 100 plus 50 150. Close. Now subtract this, extrude and reverse direction and subtract this to 12, because this distance is 50 and this is 12 mm extra, so 12 and 12, so we will cut 12 millimeter only and subtract it, and okay, so this gap is come. Now we will offset this, or we can do one more thing, go to this back face, click, and now orient this with this view, and now I will start from this point. Okay, here, then 12 mm above here, and match it to this point. Now a little bit inside, up, in, now match this. Okay, just match some dimensions, means these two lines are equal, and this line and this line both equal. Click and make this line horizontal, and rest are same, just click and click both this line and make equal. Now this point and this vertical axis must be constant, same for this lower line. Now we will dimension, this upper dimension is 50, so select and change it to 50, and this depth, this one, this is 12, changes to 12, and same here, this line is also 12, and this inside diameter between these two points is 31. It will automatically distribute, and here we have to define this gap. So this is 12. Now close and extrude this sketch 100 and unite, and now see, our figure is matching with this isometric. Now we have to create this rib, so sketch over this face and draw a line, and same for this opposite point, or we can mirror it 75 from the last edge, 75, and click match both point horizontally, finish it. Now I will use rip command to create this, and we will select single curve, select this curve, and thickness is 12. Okay, symmetrical, this is not possible. So asymmetry, and minus 12. See. Okay. Now apply, and same we will do with this sketch. Axisymmetry 12, and double click over this arrow. Arrow will change the direction. Only one hole is remaining, so I will use this hole and click over the top face. Now dimension this is 50, and this point must be aligned with this point so that it will come middle of the face. And thickness is 12, so no problem, it is 16. One cut is there, so draw a rectangle, double click 12, and same here 12. Now this point and this point both gently and align vertically and finish it and cut it reverse direction and subtract and hide this sketch. So this is our geometry.